Good evening, everybody. My name is Shreya Mishra, student of BLLB second semester. I am going to present a speech on the topic Indian Contract Act and the essential element of a valid contract. So let's start. Indian Contract Act 1872, which came into force on 1st September 1872, regulates all contract-related legal agreements in India, excluding Jammu and Kashmir. It requires a proper offer and acceptance, lawful considerations, and a free concern should be there. So a contract is said to be a agreement which is enforceable by law mentioned in section 2H. So let's talk about the essential element of a valid contract mentioned in section 10. So first will be the offer and acceptance. Proper offer and acceptance should be there. The offer made by one party should be clear and precise. Secondly, the acceptance which is accepted by another party should be unconditional. So if we talk about the offer is mentioned in section 2A and acceptance is mentioned in section 2B. Offer is basically when one person shows his willingness to do or abstain from doing something. Okay. Second essential element would be the free concern. A contract is said to be that there is a free concern only when there would not be the coercion, undue influence, and fraud, misrepresentation or mistake. Coercion basically when means forcing them or forcing someone to do something, giving them a threat, which is mentioned in section 15. Second would be the undue influence, when one dominating position dominate the other and make them forcefully to do something. It is mentioned in section 16. Fraud mentioned in section 17. Misrepresentation mentioned in 18, as well as the mistake is mentioned in 20 to 22. So this is one of the second element. Third essential element would be the lawful consideration. Basically, a contract involves the quid pro quo, something in return. It could be the good or the services. A lawful consideration should be there. Capacity to parties. A contract must be parties must be competent to the contract. They must be sound mind, legal age, and would be not be disqualified by law. Lawful object. A contract must be legal. It should not involve any crime or smuggling. And certainty of terms. Essentially, the terms of agreement must be clear. It must be precise. So these were the important or the essential element of a valid contract. Thank you.